Hi, my name's Liz, and I'm here with Healthy Teaching Kitchen. Today we're going to be making a Mexican quinoa with black bean recipe. First, we'll be making the homemade taco seasoning. For this recipe, you'll need chili powder, cumin, paprika, garlic powder, pepper, onion powder, dried oregano, and cayenne. First, we're going to add all the ingredients together. We're going to add the 1 tablespoon of chili powder with the 1 tablespoon of cumin, the 1 teaspoon of paprika, the 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, a half a teaspoon of pepper, a half a teaspoon of onion powder, a half a teaspoon of dried oregano, and 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne. Then we're going to be mixing all the spices and herbs together. Adding spices and herbs to a dish is a great way to add flavor and reduce sodium. Then, once we're done mixing, we are going to place it to the side. For the next step, we're going to need a half cup of water, 1.5 cups of quinoa, 1 small onion diced, 15-ounce can of low sodium black beans, drained and rinsed, 15-ounce can of no salt added diced tomatoes, our taco seasoning we just made, 1 bunch of fresh cilantro, a half an avocado, and 3 cups of low sodium vegetable broth. Next, we're going to pour our water in a heated medium-sized pot. Then we're going to add the onions and saute the onions in water until soft for about 15 minutes. Next, we're going to remove the lid. The onion should look translucent in appearance. Next, we're going to add the remaining ingredients. We're going to add the quinoa, which is high in protein and fiber, the taco seasoning for flavor, add the black beans, which is high in protein, and add the tomatoes. We're going to measure out 3 cups of low sodium broth. Cover and simmer until liquid is absorbed. This should take about 20 minutes. Stir occasionally to prevent sticking to the bottom of the pot. Top each serving with avocado and fresh cilantro leaves if desired. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope you enjoy this Mexican quinoa with black bean recipe.